Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to format a drive on your Windows PC, and you can do this a couple different ways. So you can use disk management, or you can just open up File Explorer, depending on what you want to do. So I'm going to go to File Explorer right here, open this up, and when you open this up, you can just find your disk on the left side here, just like what you do with the USB thumbstick. Scroll on down, and just find the drive. So here's my D drive. I can click on it and go to right, then go to Format and just go through this and you can format it right here. So I can start, go to yes. Make sure you click the correct one, otherwise, it's still going to delete everything off there. So that's one way you can format a drive. Otherwise, you can go on down to search, type in disk management, create and format disk partitions, and then open this up. I got it opened up already. Now go to your drive you want to format. So yeah, I got 3 different drives on here. You won't be able to format disk, the Windows drive, because that's where your operating system is. If you deleted that, your computer would probably just shut off, and you wouldn't have an operating system. So don't do that. So we can go to an open drive here. I have an external drive, and then this internal drive. I can right-click on it, and I can go to Format right here. And then we got the new drive label. We can name it something if we want. And we can just format it through here. Press OK. Yes. Make sure you're deleting the correct thing. Otherwise, yeah, you're going to have a bad time. So it's formatting right now. Okay. So we can force the format. Now, if you do run into errors where it's not formatting, what you want to do is simply delete everything off here. You can go to delete volume. And then go to yes. And this is all going to be unallocated now. And then we have to go to new simple volume, and we can assign a new drive letter to it. So let's go to Z, and then format it here. And that's going to erase everything off there. Now, if it's still being picky from there and it's not working, you can go a step further and go to Google, type in DiskGenius, go to this website, diskgenius.com, download it right here, open up the software, DiskGenius, really good software. Go to the drive, right-click on it, and go to delete all partitions. Go to yes, and then go to save all on the top, otherwise it's not going to save. And if you are running into an error where it says, oh, you're not allowed to delete this should go ahead and delete it, and it should work. And go back here, it's all allocated again, and you should be able to work. Assign a new drive volume. Go through here, and you should be good to go. Maybe you want to go ahead and, I don't know, copy or clone a drive over here. You can do that now very easily. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.